Y'all, this situation is way out of hand. I tried so hard to get this stupid sandwich. I went to 2 different Popeyes on 2 different days, and there was just no way I was getting through the line. So I guess I gotta do everything myself around here. Let's just slide into this recipe. First step, what's even on the sandwich? I wouldn't know. Looks like Popeyes spares no opportunity to remind me that this sandwich is out of my reach. Just like a baby boomer reminding me that I can't buy a house. Alright, looks like it's a chicken breast filet marinated in Louisiana seasoning, then breaded with their all-new buttermilk coating, served with crisp, barrel-aged pickles or whatever. And it comes with classic or spicy mayo. Beats me why anyone would get classic mayo. So we're gonna make our spicy because I shut up and handle the heartburn like a good little masochist. On to the marinade. This is a really simple one. I've just got about 3 tablespoons of Cajun seasoning that I've added a pinch of salt to, half a cup of olive oil, and a 1/4 cup of vinegar, which I measured in the same cup as the oil, didn't even bother to wash it out first. 3 cloves of crushed garlic, and a tablespoon of hot mustard. To make this a real, authentic Louisiana recipe, I'm using our boy Emerald's kicked up horseradish mustard. That's how you know it's gonna be good. Right now, all we have to do is dump everything into a blender. I'm using a NutriBullet. You could even use a food processor. It doesn't matter. Just eviscerate that stuff into a nice, thick marinade. Now put your chicken in a plastic bag, dump that marinade all over it, squeeze the air out, seal the bag, and then squish the chicken around until all the pieces are evenly coated. Put that in the fridge and then go do something else for an hour. Might I suggest laundry? I bet it's been a while, huh? Now it's time for the breading. I've got 3/4 cup flour, a 1/4 cup cornstarch, a teaspoon of salt, and a heaped tablespoon of Cajun seasoning in this bowl right here. I've also got 3 eggs for the egg wash. This is just a standard 2-step method for hand breading, and you can pretty much fry anything you want if you just follow these steps. Now I'm just gonna whisk the dry ingredients together real quick and then dump them out into a shallow baking pan. This will make it easier to bread multiple pieces of chicken at once, so just shake it out into an even layer, and then crack the chicken's children into a separate bowl and beat them into submission. Now take the chicken breasts out of the fridge, put them in the flour mixture, and turn them over a couple times to coat evenly. Dip each piece in the egg wash mixture and then return them to the flour mixture to give them one final coating. Transfer the breaded pieces to a plate and then get ready to fry. I've got my oil preheated to about 350 degrees. I only had 3 pieces of chicken, so I just did them all at once, cooking for about 6 minutes on each side, giving extra time to some of the thicker pieces. Once all the pieces were at 165 degrees in the middle, I put them on a paper towel lined baking sheet. Now let's make the spicy mayo. I've obviously got some mayo and some Cajun seasoning, which is all you need to make this bomb-ass sauce, which, if we're being honest here, is probably one of the main reasons why people like the sandwich so much. If you don't make anything else from this video, at least make the sauce, because it would go so well on a million other things. Like, it would be so good to dip fries in, or maybe just use it in place of regular mayo on any other sandwich you want. Seriously, just try it. It's amazing. And I'm not even really measuring anything, I'm just going by taste. So I put like about a tablespoon of mayo, maybe a teaspoon of mustard, and then like another teaspoon of the seasoning, and just go by what you want. If you want it less spicy, use less seasoning. That's it. And last but certainly not least, butter your buns and plop them straight on a hot pan to toast. Finally, we can make this sandwich. Spread 1 or 2 tablespoons of the spicy mayo on the bottom bun, and then nestle your precious chicken beast right on top, followed by 2
locally sourced barrel-cured pickles.
Just kidding, these are regular pickles from the grocery store. The refrigerated kind, of course, which are superior to shelf-stable pickles in every way.
They're moving in herds.
So that's it. I made a sandwich, and now so can you. This video was a whole mess, so thank you for watching. If you stuck around this long, dislike and unsubscribe. Alright, bye.